quadrilaterals we have completed, and we have completed all the exercise questions and everything. So in this class we will be starting with some of the extra questions. I will be giving you 1 or 2 minutes to solve, or you can just try to solve it. Okay, so the first question I will be writing here, the first one, that is maybe some issues are there. Okay, so the first question for you is, you are given with a parallelogram. Suppose this is the parallelogram I am drawing here. Okay, you are given with this parallelogram, name it as ABCD, A, B, C, D. Okay, now what you have to do, you will extend, I am extending this AB, okay, I am extending this AB to any point E. AB को extend कर रहा हूँ मैं to a point E. This will, I'll take this one as point E. And now I am joining D to point E. This D to this point E. Okay. Now the thing is, I am writing the question here, the given parts of the question. So what is given to you? The thing that is given to you is, okay. So I am writing here, the thing that is given to you is that ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram, and this AB side and BE, AB is equal to this BE, that is the extended part, this BE, this is the extended part of this AB, okay, and take this point as point F, okay. Now you have to prove that this line DE bisects BC. This is what you have to prove. Okay, so this is, just see how we are going to solve this question. एक बार ध्यान से देखना इस चीज को. When we will be writing the proof part, just see one thing. This AB side and this BE side are given equal. AB equal to BE. It is given to us that it is equal. It is given. So first equation I will be taking this one, the given statement. Then this AB side is equal to CD. That is the second equation I will be taking, because they are opposite side. They are opposite side. So that means what? From first and second, can I write one thing? First और second equation से मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ that BE side is equal to CD. BE जो है वो CD के equal है. This BE and this CD are equal. Now I can prove these two triangles congruent. अब देखो मैं इन दो triangles की बात करता हूँ. In triangle CDF and triangle EBF. एक का नाम CDF लिया है तो BEF. One triangle name as BEF. This is the triangle I am taking. Now just see one thing. This angle 1 and this angle 2, are they equal? Angle 1 and angle 2? Yes, alternate interior angles we can write. Okay, angle 1 equals to angle 2. These are alternate interior angles. Then this side CD and this side BE, they are equal. We have proved this thing, you can see here. So we can write CD equal to BE. What we will be writing? Proved above. It is proved. Then the third thing, this angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 3 and angle 4. What region we will be writing? Again, again alternate interior angles. So that means what? The triangles are congruent now. These two triangles are congruent. Triangle CDF is congruent to triangle BEF by using angle side angle property. We have to remember the properties also, angle side angle. You can see first we have taken angle, then side, then angle. So angle side angle property we have taken, and these two triangles are congruent. So from these two triangles, if these two triangles are now congruent, I can simply write this CF equal to this FB. So I can write here CF equal to FB. ओके बाय यूजिंग व्हाट CP/CT यूज करके हम लिख सकते हैं CF इक्वल टू FB, एंड इफ CF एंड FB आर इक्वल, दैट मीन्स दिस ED, दिस लाइन DE इज बाइसेक्टिंग BC. DE ने BC को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में बाइसेक्ट किया है. दैट इज द थिंग वी कैन राइट इजली. ये हम बहुत इजली यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन. यही तुम लोगों को करना था इसमें. आई होप इट इज okay. Suppose you are given with this triangle, that is triangle ABC, okay, and now what you are given with a median AD. You all know median, but what is the property of a median? Anyone?
Sir, it divides the triangle into two equal parts.
Yes. Okay, and it also bisects this side. This side is also bisected by this median. Okay, and also bisecting the angle. So this is the median we are having, AD. Okay, now we are given with the midpoint of this median. Okay, I am taking the midpoint of this median. This is given as the midpoint. Suppose this is point E. I'll name this one. This is point E we are given with as the midpoint of the median. See, I am writing the given part for you, so you will be able to solve here. What is given to us? AD is the median. This is the first thing. AD is the median. Okay, this is the thing we are given. Then E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint. This is midpoint of AD. Okay, E is the midpoint of AD. Now we are given with a line joining B and E. This is also given to us. We are joining B to E. Okay, and then extending, I am extending this one. देखो B to E I am joining and I am extending this one to point, this line to point F. Here we are having a new point, that is F. Okay, this one was point E we are having. ये वाला E point था. This is point F we are having. Okay. So now we have to prove by the given condition, we have to prove, we are having this question, we have to prove that this AF is equal to 1/3 of AC. AF is 1/3 of AC. That is what we need to prove. So I am repeating the question once again. We are given with a triangle ABC. AD is given as the median, then E is given as the midpoint of AD, then this BE we have joined and extended it to point F, that is on AC. जो AC पे एक point है F, हमने BE को extend किया है वहाँ तक. Then we have to prove that AF equal to 1/3 AC. Okay, so let's see the solution, how we are going to solve it. For that I will do a little bit of construction in the question. मैं थोड़ा सा ना construction इसमें करूँगा. What I will do as construction, okay, for construction I'll take one line parallel to this EF. मैं इस EF के parallel ना एक line draw करता हूँ यहाँ पे. This one, this line I am taking parallel to EF. Okay, and I will name this point as point G. मैं इस वाले point का नाम point G. Now you can see, now I have divided this AC line in 3 parts. I will not say equal क्योंकि अभी तक मैंने equal prove नहीं किया है, but I have divided. और मेरे को ये AF जो है, this AF I have to show as 1/3. तो 1/3 का मतलब है 3 parts तो होने ही चाहिए. So that's why I have taken a line. मैंने अपनी तरफ से एक construction part किया है. So I will write in the construction में मैं क्या लिखूँगा? Take DG, this DG parallel to EF. डी जी को ई एफ के पैरेलल ड्रॉ कर दो. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. नाउ जस्ट सी द प्रूफ. अब इस प्रूफ पे ध्यान दो. लेट्स सी द प्रूफ पार्ट. इन दिस प्रूफ पार्ट just see one thing. First go over this triangle. The triangle I will be shading for you, so you will be able to identify this one. Triangle ADG. Okay, first go over this triangle. Triangle ADG. Just see in triangle ADG, this E is what? This E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. Okay, midpoint of what? AD. Midpoint of AD. And the another thing, this EF is parallel to DG. This EF is parallel to DG. See, this E is the midpoint of AD and this EF is parallel to DG. This is the thing. If the condition is like this, one midpoint we are having, one parallel line we are having, that means what? This F will become also midpoint. यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास ये F है ना, this F, therefore we can write this F is the midpoint. F is the midpoint of AG. AG, okay, because we are talking about triangle ADG. हम सिर्फ triangle ADG की बात कर रहे हैं. नीचे वाला पार्ट, ये C वाला पार्ट, जो white part triangle बचा हुआ है, वो नहीं लिया है. We are talking about ADG only. So F is the midpoint of AG. That means what? अगर F midpoint है, by using which property we are using? Converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint. Converse of midpoint theorem. Now just see, if this F is the midpoint, that means what? I can write AF equal to FG. मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे, therefore AF equal to FG. Okay, and I will take this one as first equation. मैं इस वाले को first equation ले लूँगा. Now what I am doing? I am moving over another triangle. मैं दूसरे triangle में जाता हूँ. देखो अब कौन से triangle में? See this triangle, complete triangle, this one, BCF, the blue one I am saying. Okay, so now you can see I am talking about triangle BCF, the blue one I am talking about, blue triangle. Now just in this triangle BCF, see this D point. You can see this one D point. See this D point is the midpoint. D is the
BC, sir.
midpoint
This is
of
midpoint.
BC. D is the midpoint of BC. This is the first thing we are having. Then this DG is parallel to BF. This DG is parallel to BF. Why this DG is parallel to BF? Because it is by construction. हमने किया हुआ है construction में. So this DG is parallel to BF and D is the midpoint. So by using again converse of midpoint theorem, I can write this G. मैं इस G को क्या लिख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे? I can write, therefore this G is the midpoint of CF. CF. See, G is the midpoint of CF. Are you getting? G is the midpoint of CF. And if this G is the midpoint of CF, अगर ये G जो है CF का midpoint है, I can write one thing. यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? FG is equal to GC. Therefore I can write FG equal to GC. Okay, FG को मैं GC के equal लिख सकता हूँ. And now see one thing, if FG and GC are equal, FG and GC are equal, देखो अगर ये equal हैं, I will take it as second equation. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में FG किसके इक्वल था? AF के. FG किसके इक्वल है? GC के. दैट मीन्स ये तीनों इक्वल हैं आपस में. AF इक्वल टू FG इक्वल टू GC. All three are equal from equation 1 and 2. You can check from equation 1 and 2. 1 और 2 का यूज करके we can write AF equal to FG equal to GC. You can check all three are equal. So that means what? Now if I am writing AF plus FG plus GC, AF plus FG plus GC equal to AC. क्या मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ? देखो ना यहाँ पे फिगर में आते हैं एक बार. AF plus FG
Yes, sir.
plus GC equal to AC. And now see, एफ जी जो है वो भी ए एफ के इक्वल है, देखो एफ जी ए एफ के इक्वल है, जी सी जो है वो भी ए एफ के इक्वल है, तो 3 टाइम्स आई विल बी राइटिंग ए एफ, मैं 3 बार ए एफ लिखूंगा, बिकॉज एफ जी की जगह पे भी मैं ए एफ लिख रहा हूँ, एफ जी इज इक्वल टू ए एफ, जी सी इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू ए एफ, तो उसकी जगह भी ए एफ, सो दैट मीन्स ए एफ प्लस ए एफ प्लस ए एफ, so it will be 3 times AF equal to AC, and then AF will be equal to 1 by 3
One
of
third of AC.
AC. So that is what we have to prove. तुम चेक कर सकते हो, यही हम लोगों को क्या करना था, प्रूव करना था. So this is what we have done.